How to dress like little yachty. First things first, find the baggiest pair of pants you own. Now get baggier. Next, grab whatever shirt you want to wear. It doesn't really matter because you're going to cover it up with 100 layers. Great, now find a hoodie that doesn't match the pants. Something loud. The louder the better. After that, find the bulkiest pair of shoes in your closet. If you have Timbs, plus points. If you don't, find some other boots. Then, find a workwear style jacket, something solid color, but if it has a design, okay. Make sure it's oversized too. Finally, find a hat that does not match any of the colors at all. Remember, we're trying to look like we aren't trying at all. Almost forgot, get a tote bag that has nothing in it.